heavy load I carry. And don't be concerned if it sends me to my knees, for I know a place where all my load will lighten, and I'll be alright soon as I touch Calvary. If my feeble hands of faith could only reach out through this dark and dreary storm of unbelief, if he'll slip his nail-scarred hands into my hand, I'll be alright as soon as I touch Calvary. Very soon now I'll reach the hill Golgotha. I'll touch the cross that was fashioned from a tree, and if one precious drop of his blood touches me, I'll be alright, because now I've reached Calvary. If my feeble